Course reserves subject area. There is a new subject area that describes course reserves and allows you to create reports relating to courses, which could answer such business questions as which courses reserved a specific title, or which courses share the same titles between them, what reading lists does each department have, different statistics like that. So let's go into Alma Analytics and take a look at the course reserve subject area. So Alma menu, Design Analytics, and we'll create a new analysis. Course reserves is the new subject area. Okay, and now let's see the different fields that we have under course reserves. So for example, we can add the course name, the course creator, reading list, so we'll put in the reading list name, and we can get, for example, the number of citations for each reading list, and we can have the associated librarian, first name, last name. And there are many different fields here which you can check out. Course start date, course end date. Let's add those as well. Okay, now let's take a look at the results. We'll see the report. And we can see here a report with all of the courses that we have in the institution, the course name, creator, reading list name, the number of citations for each reading list, and the first name and last name of the librarian, course start date, course end date. And there are different reports you can make with this information. Very useful new feature in Alma Analytics. Now, together with this development, we've also added new fields to the fulfillment subject matter area and the request subject area. Let's take a look at those two. These are new fields that relate to courses. So it's going to be the associated course name and associated course code. So let's do a new analysis for the fulfillment subject area. And here, under loan details, we have associated course code and associated course name. So we could, for example, let's get the bibliographic details of the loan, title, and we can get a report of the title and the course code and course name with which it's associated for a given loan. Okay, take a look at the results. Okay, and we can see different titles and the courses for which they were loaned. And here we have actually, these are null. These are loans that belong to no course. So these are the interesting ones. And of course, we can create a report which filters out the null results. So that's in the fulfillment subject area. And in a similar fashion, we have in the request subject area, we can see if any requests were related to a particular course. So we go into requests, and we can have, let's say, the name of the requester. Under request details, we have two new fields, associated course code and associated course name. And if we go into the results, we can see various requests that were related to courses. And here, once again, there are, of course, different reports you could create. So this is the new subject area of course reserves in Alma Analytics.